HowExpert Guide to Quilting Sneakers, the 50-day step-by-step system to design, quilt and craft. Custom sneakers. If you want to bring together your love for sneakers and crafting into one bold, creative journey, this is your ultimate guide. HowExpert Guide to Quilting Sneakers shows you how to design and quilt your own custom sneakers, combining traditional quilting skills with modern DIY footwear design. This book isn't just about style, it's about building a real skill set, unlocking your creative potential, and producing something truly original. With a practical, easy-to-follow 50-day system, you'll learn how to turn an ordinary pair of sneakers into one-of-a-kind, handcrafted pieces of wearable art. At the heart of this guide is the QuiltingSneakers system, a complete framework that guides you step by step through every stage of the process. Each letter in the acronym represents a core chapter, and each day provides focused, actionable lessons to help you build confidence, technique, and momentum. Whether you're a quilter looking for a fresh twist, a sneaker lover wanting to express your personal style, or a creative ready to master a new craft, this book gives you the structure, tools, and inspiration to succeed. What you'll learn. Design your sneakers from scratch using sketches, color palettes, and mood boards. Select the right fabrics, sneaker bases, and tools for both beauty and function. Draft, cut, and prepare quilted panels to fit your sneakers with clean, professional alignment. Stitch your panels together using essential quilting techniques and advanced options. Attach quilted panels securely for durability, flexibility, and style. Add creative embellishments like embroidery, layered fabric, and mixed media. Finish your sneakers professionally with edge sealing, protective coatings, and polish. Photograph, present, and share your work in portfolios, galleries, or online shops. Expand your creative scope with matching accessories or full design collections. Teach, collaborate, or sell your designs as you grow your personal or professional brand. You don't need experience in shoemaking or fashion to get started. This guide gives you everything you need to create your first pair from scratch, with clarity, encouragement, and expert-tested methods. This isn't just a craft project, it's a full creative experience that blends artistry, expression, and hands-on design. From concept to creation, this system helps you think like a designer, quilt like an artist, and finish like a professional. Inside the book, a full tools and materials checklist to start with confidence. Printable sneaker quilting templates for fast and accurate layout. A clear glossary of quilting and sneaker terms for easy reference. Proven troubleshooting tips to solve common issues and avoid mistakes. A curated quilted sneaker inspiration gallery to expand your design thinking. By the end of your 50-day journey, you'll have crafted a pair of fully quilted, custom-designed sneakers, completely handmade, one-of-a-kind, and uniquely your own. You'll also walk away with the knowledge and confidence to create more designs, teach others, or build a brand around your creativity. If you want to design boldly, quilt confidently, and create something that's functional, fashionable, and truly original, this guide gives you the step-by-step path to make it happen. Start your creative journey today with HowExpert Guide to Quilting Sneakers and make something no one else in the world has. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.